जावा पढ़ना है मेरे को, PhD करनी है, एप्स बनाने हैं।
अगले 3 महीनों में आप सब 2-2 की टीम में एक ऐप बनाओगे।
सीरीज के 2 सीजन्स खत्म हो गए और किसी ने ऐप ही नहीं बनाया।
The most awaited Mismatch Season 2 released on 14th October and we all know की story क्या है, but फिर भी मैं short में बता देती हूँ कि this is a teenage rom-com which features mostly sane YouTuber Prajakta Kohli and the national crush of India Rohit Saraf. The rest of the cast के बारे में हम बाद में बात करेंगे.
So let's start off with the things which were a mismatch to our expectations.
आपको याद है जब season start हुआ था तो the main focus was apps, codings, but I don't know why जब season 2 start होता है तो कभी-कभी नजर तो आते हैं ये apps और codings, but they appear like guest appearances.
Rest of the season is only kissing.
I think you will not.
यूसेन बोल्ट की स्पीड से पटा लेना तुम दूसरी को.
Fights.
Let your secret only.
मुझे
Confusion. Some more kissing. And yes, पढ़ाई. Of course. And before I go ahead, I just want to break the spoiler. Both of them get back together. I think we knew this already. The most important spoiler is that who stole the app. But even when we get to know this, जानने की कोई excitement नहीं होती.
Honestly बोलूं तो people who like watching rom-coms which have a good-looking cast and a beautiful cinematography will love watching this. But उसके अलावा there is no strong reason to watch this show.
Now coming to the good parts of the show is when the show talks about sensitive things like body image, insecurities, sexual orientation, confusion, whether you're bi-curious or whatever. I think the makers spoke about these issues because they were trying to compensate with the weak script, because honestly अगर आप show देखो it is slightly boring and बीच में मैंने fast forward भी किया था and it seemed like a drag. Like if you see it, it's 8 episodes and 1 hour devoted to each episode and it seems like a drag. Easily 4 episodes में खत्म हो सकता था, but they just kept stretching it like a rubber band.
In fact जब episodes एक के बाद एक चल रहे थे I had 2 questions. ये कब खत्म होगा और दूसरा ऐप को कब देखने को मिलेगा. My favorite character in the season वो actually might be the next national crush of India is Harsh, played by Vihan Samat. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. In the first season he didn't have much screen presence, but in the second season you can call him as a parallel lead because he also dates Dimple here. उसके अलावा भी actors like Rohit, Prajakta, Taruk have also done a good job with their performances. The ones that actually took the spotlight are Ranvijay and Vidya. Their on-screen chemistry is really beautiful and a treat to watch. It's nice to see how a teacher and student relationship converts into friendship, which can be potential romance. The best part is that there's nothing vulgar here. I so wish I could record and tell you what the other awkward part is, but I'll just tell it to you over here. The weird bits about the show, apart from the slow screenplay, is a voiceover which we get to hear for every character. Like अगर वो कुछ सोच रहे हैं, then randomly we'll get to hear a voiceover. It's a bit off.
There is one more very weird and fiction sort of thing which we get to see in the episode. There is a scene where a boyfriend is gifting a dress to his girlfriend और वो जो label होता है ना जिसमें size लिखा होता है उसमें literally लिखा होता है size 0. I am not kidding. This is actually written over there. I wish I could take a screenshot of it, but due to copyright issues I can't put it here. But वहाँ literally tag पे लिखा है size 0. I'm like, okay, I get it. You're trying to talk about body image, insecurities, but at least you could have made something realistic. That was very weird and no shop does that.
Coming to a good thing which may be a good reason to remember the show is the music. I really loved it. The voice by Ritviz and by Rekha Bharadwaj. It's very fresh.
कुछ तो लिखती हूँ, लिख के मिटाती हूँ मैं रात भर, ऐसे क्यों.
तो ये था आज का ब्रेकडाउन. आपको मुझे कमेंट्स में बताना है who's your favorite character and have you seen the show yet. If you haven't, please go watch it. Like I said before, I think people who like rom-coms, they will like it. I think the show is a combination of Student of the Year, any of the parts, and Never Have I Ever. Because इस शो में clearly किसी को पढ़ाई के ऊपर ध्यान नहीं है, सबका ध्यान सबके ऊपर है. ऐप नहीं बन रहे हैं, पढ़ाई कोई नहीं कर रहा है, पता नहीं लव स्टोरीज और किसिंग और यही सब चल रहा है. स्टोरी इज नॉट वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग बट पीपल विल स्टिल वॉच इट ड्यू टू इट्स स्ट्रॉन्ग एस्थेटिक्स, सिनेमेटोग्राफी एंड गुड लुकिंग पीपल. सो देयर वी हैव अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग रीजन टू वॉच इट. एंड येस, लाइक आई मेंशन्ड बिफोर, द सॉन्ग्स इज समथिंग दैट पीपल विल रिमेंबर द सीरीज बाय. आई होप दे कम अप विद सीजन 3 एंड एक्चुअली आई होप कि उस सीजन में वो लोग ऐप बनाए. डू लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट्स बिलो. मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंटली आपका फेवरेट कैरेक्टर कौन सा था. Till then, my dear Janta, do not forget to hit on that ghanta so that you know when I'm next online on YouTube. Bye.